Hey, Bill, this is Peter. Thank you so much for connecting with me on LinkedIn. I wanted to kind of just shoot you a very short video. I think you asked me what I can offer, and I think the best way to do this is through a video. I understand that you're running Google AdWords and you have a lot of followers and you're very active. Um, my question is to you is I'd like to know a little bit more about your metrics and stats on your Google AdWords in terms of the cost per leads and the conversions on those. Um, what you're seeing in front of me is actually a lead capture page. We don't really build out websites. We build out sales funnels for divorce lawyers. Um, and basically what this is it's a capture page that captures names, phones, and email. And all this data goes right into your inbox in real time, meaning that these are people, active customers that are looking for your service. And these are people like they're raising their hands and wanting your service, and we know how to put them in front of your business very easily. I do understand that you have some concerns but I definitely want to maybe talk to you more about this um, and maybe kind of feel out what we can do. So basically, we go. I understand you're using Google AdWords. We see that for certain keywords, there's like 10 to 100,000 searches a month, and we can definitely put that volume of search in front of your business as well. We already have the keywords set in place through the marketing research that we've done, and so it's been working like gangbusters. Our cost per lead is about $40 per lead, and basically, this is a form submission basically. So what happens is that when people come to this page, all they're seeing is a form. So they can fill the information out and it goes to your inbox right away. After they fill it out, it goes to a thank you page with a phone number. And again, with the phone number, we track everything. We track every piece of data that comes in through Google. So we know where the calls are coming from, how long they're lasting, and how things are handled in the back end. So we can track every call that comes in at the same time. Where the difference between a website and a sales funnel. A website it gives the customer way too many options and they're clicking everywhere. It's not a straight path. Versus what a sales funnel is, the main job of a sales funnel is to get people to enter the information what you see in front of you right now, and we can do that very easily. So anyway, if you have any other questions, just definitely let me know. And I hope this is a little bit clear. And hope to talk to you soon. Okay, take care. Bye bye.